Hello friends, myself Pushpen Malakar. Welcome to my channel Financial Appetite. In this video, we are going to discuss the benefits of investing in mutual fund. Friends, whether you are a seasoned or a first-time investor, a mutual fund is something you should seriously consider adding to your investment portfolio. So friends, please stay on this video and please share and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Friends, we are often confused for choice when it comes to choosing an investment product. There is large variety of options available, right from fixed deposit to buying precious metal. However, each product has its own risk-reward ratio. But if you are looking at an investment option that is professionally managed, diversified, and offers you a good risk-return trade-off, then mutual fund can be the best choice for you. Friends, even a small amount of money invested regularly over a period can build a good purpose through the power of compound. In this video, friends, I will explain what mutual funds are, what are the types, and how it can help in meeting your financial goals. So friends, start with what is mutual fund. A mutual fund is an investment instrument in which investors pool money to earn return over a period of time. The money collected is managed by a fund manager who is an investment professional. These funds is invested in various securities such as bonds, stocks, golds, and other assets, and seek to provide a potential goal. The gains that come in from these investments are shared by investors in proportion to their contribution to the fund. Now friends, we'll discuss basic types of mutual funds in India. Mutual funds are basically three types: debt funds, equity oriented funds, and hybrid funds. Now, debt funds invest in assets like government securities and corporate bonds. These funds aim to offer reasonable return to the investors and are considered relatively less risky. Equity funds invest in stocks and look to give investor capital appreciation. Since the return on equity funds are linked to the market movement of stocks, these funds have a higher degree of risk. Next, hybrid funds invest in both equities and fixed income securities. In this fund, the proportion of equity could vary from 0 to 100%. Now friends, the most interesting topic is why investing in mutual fund is a wise choice. Let's friend start with one of the biggest advantage mutual funds give you is that of immediate diversification. Friends, you may not have enough money to spread your investments in different stocks and sectors. But by pooling money from thousands of similar investors, a mutual fund can spread your investment. It is highly unlikely that all your stocks will go down by same proportion on any particular day. This ensures that you have not kept all your eggs in one basket and are safe from incurring huge losses from a single bad investment. Another big benefits of investing in mutual fund is the professional expertise it provides for your investment. Asset management companies, AMCs, provide qualified fund managers who, with the help of strong research team and their own expertise, pick the best options to meet funds objective. This saves you from time and the stress of constantly monitoring your investments and wondering if you made right buy or sell decision with mutual funds. Friends, you do not have to worry about market swings in mutual funds. Friends, you may want to buy shares in large companies or want to invest in big companies in a particular sector of your choice. However, you may not have the money to make a big investment. Friends, mutual funds trade in large volumes, giving their investors the advantage of lower trading cost. Anyone can start an investment in mutual fund through a systematic investment plan SIP with as little as 1000 rupees. Now friends, why mutual funds are so popular? Friends, you can easily move your money in and out of mutual fund investments. Investments in open-ended fund can be redeemed in part or as a whole any time to receive the current value of the units. Friends, we'll detail discuss about mutual fund schemes in my another video. Friends, there are various tax benefits available on your investment in mutual funds. For example, investment in Equity Linked Savings Scheme ELSS qualify for tax deduction under Section 80C of Income Tax Act. There is no tax on capital gains on units of equity scheme held for more than 12 months. Schemes other than equity oriented schemes are treated in a debt category for tax purpose. Short-term capital gain is applicable for redemption of debt mutual funds within 3 years. Long-term capital gain, which is more than 3 years from debt mutual funds, is taxable after claiming the benefit of indexation. Friends, in India, all mutual funds are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. All mutual funds are required to follow a transparent process as laid down by SEBI, protecting the interest of investors. Further, friend, SEBI makes it compulsory for all mutual funds to disclose their portfolios every month. Lastly, friends, we'll discuss the needs of advisory of investing in mutual funds. Friends, mutual funds are easy to understand and a smart investment choice for almost all types of savers and investors. And these security type are the standard of investment. So friends, the easy and useful way to invest in mutual fund is through an advisory platform like us. We are at Cynosure Capital Private Limited facilitate our customers with tailor-made investment advisory services in mutual funds. Friends, you just need to do create an investment account with the help of our RM, select your financial goals, be it tax savings or other life goals. Pick up the mutual fund scheme to invest. You can do it yourself, or ours advisory also helps you a lot. Give additional information for investment, that is QIC details. To know more, please contact to our advisory desk mentioned in description details. So friends, we strongly advise you to carefully analyze the associated merits and demerits of various types of mutual funds. Only then you will be able to know about suitability of mutual funds as an investment instrument and foster healthy investment practices. So friend, please stay invested, stay safe. Thank you.